Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm just doing some work on my S1000RR. In the previous video, I would have showed you how to install the cover here. This time we are doing the smaller cover that goes right here. So I'll show you guys how to do that. What I've already done is I've removed the bottom fairing just to make it a little bit easier for myself. There's a fair few different bolts that go around, so it might take you all of 5 or 10 minutes to do that, so I'll put that away. So now for this one, it's a little bit different. You have two bolts that you have to remove here, and they actually give you a mounting bracket for the third, which is right here, so that will slide in, and you'll be able to mount that right up. So let me just do that for you guys and I'll show you what we have. So yeah guys, you pull out this one here, if it will focus, and that mounting bracket goes here where that bolt is, and then you torque these two up to 10 Newton meters and you should be all good. Now all that's left for me to do is to put my fairing back on and it should be complete.